Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Google account and WordPress access. Now create or open a Google Analytics 4 property and copy the measurement ID. Next, install a lightweight analytics plugin or access your theme header. This is the first actionable step because the measurement ID links the two systems. Once done, paste the ID into the plugin settings or hold the header open for manual insertion. Make sure to save changes. This establishes the tracking pipeline from day one. If you chose a plugin, enter the GA4 measurement ID and enable enhanced measurement to capture page views and basic events automatically. This reduces manual work. If you insert the global site tag manually, place it just before the closing head tag to ensure it loads early. This prevents missed first page hits. Once implemented, use your browser's Console Network tab and Google Analytics Real-Time to confirm events arrive. If you see data, you're tracking. If not, retrace the paste or plugin step immediately. Finalize by mapping key actions to events and marking conversions inside GA4. This turns raw hits into measurable goals. Also, review any cookie consent or privacy plugins on your site. They often block analytics until consent is granted, which explains missing data. If tracking still fails, enable GA debug in the browser, verify the measurement ID matches exactly, and check server time zones. Incorrect times can make recent hits invisible. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable consent blocking to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.